Okay, so I believe every maker should have multiple notebooks, and for years I bought little notebooks like this to put in my pocket. And I just do quick sketches. When I made the Hobbit pipe, I did a couple of sketches like that. But what I want to show you today is how to make your own. They're super cheap, they're really easy to make, and it's a good project to have so that you always have a notebook with you. And then when you're done with these, you can buy, or I can later show you how to make a big notebook. And this is the kind of place where I put more finished detailed drawings. This was the Fibonacci cabinet that I made. I made a workbench, got all of my notes. These are not what we're making today. What we're making are these, which are really simple, everyday carry type notebooks. Let's get started. Materials and tools for this project are cardstock, some fill paper that can either be blank or graph paper, a pencil, needle and thread, some masking tape, a couple of push pins, cardboard, a ruler, and something to cut with. To mark the paper, first find the center and then make 2 marks an inch apart on either side. Now center your fill paper over your book cover and punch holes on each of the marks. Okay, so the stitch I'm going to use to make this notebook is called a saddle stitch, and I'm actually going to draw it for you. I'll show you in the video actually doing it, but it's going to be kind of hard to see. Here's the basic idea. If this is the back of the book, and this is the inside, we've punched 5 holes in there. There's 1 in the middle and 2 on either side of that. You want to start with your thread going up through the middle on the outside to the inside, and then we're going to loop it to hole number 1, up to number 2, back this way, over here, up. And when we come out of this hole, we've got both loose strings on the back. These are the 2 that we're going to tie together. Okay? Now I'll show you what that looks like.